Ever wondered how much your Grabpay points are actually worth? You know, those points you rack up with every Grab ride, food delivery, or even online shopping. Do they really add up to significant savings, or are they just digital dust collectors? Let's dive in and find out. Grabpay points are a reward system within the Grab ecosystem. You earn them by using Grab services like ride-hailing, food delivery, GrabFood, and online shopping through the Grab app. These points can then be redeemed for discounts on future rides, food orders, and other eligible services. But here's the burning question: how much are these points actually worth? Is there a fixed exchange rate? And how can you maximize their value? Unfortunately, there is no single, straightforward answer to how much is a Grabpay point worth. Here's why. Variable value. The value of your points fluctuates based on the specific redemption option. Sometimes, you might get a 1:1 conversion for a certain amount of discount. Other times, the redemption rate might be less favorable, offering a smaller discount per point. Dynamic promotions. Grab frequently introduces promotions and campaigns that can significantly impact the value of your points. Look out for bonus point campaigns, special redemption offers, and limited-time deals. Service-specific values. The redemption value of your points can vary depending on the Grab service you're using. For example, you might get a better discount on a GrabFood order compared to a GrabCar ride. Tips to maximize point value. Redeem strategically. Prioritize high-value redemptions. Look for offers with the highest discount per point. Time your redemptions. Utilize bonus point campaigns and limited-time promotions to maximize your savings. Track your points. Keep an eye on your Grabpay point balance in the app. Regularly check for available redemption options and their corresponding discount values. Explore different redemption channels. Consider redeeming points for discounts on various services within the Grab ecosystem to find the best deals. While there's no fixed exchange rate for Grabpay points, you can still significantly increase their value by being strategic in your redemptions. Keep an eye on promotions, explore different redemption options, and prioritize high-value deals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.